Win the award itself, you know. Even the voting pattern, you need to have some level of experience.
Yeah, man.
You know, because you know, be talk.
Debbie.
You understand? You don't know. There are people that will place calls to certain places.
Yes.
Who vote in excuse me to say bullshit.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Okay, action. What from the VJ Parkour Rich? I had him here, Parkour Rich Studios. We day here. And I'm not here alone. I never work alone. I'm not like Liverpool.
Of course.
I'm here with my brother.
PKB original.
PKB original.
Yeah, man.
Charlie, there is a lot of conversation recorded on the Telecel Ghana Music Award. People they talk. I'm out for a casa.
People they talk.
People they talk plenty.
Plenty talk.
Artist of the year back home.
Hey.
No one come up be Now, today we are going to touch a bit and pieces of everything. So ideally, the conversation in the group now, and it's about King Paluta. Ouch!
Ouch.
Ouch!
Ouch.
Then King Promise.
Oh.
Mr. Shoe.
Oh yeah.
Dead. My telele.
Hey.
Beam. Stonebwoy himself.
Torture.
Yes. Acquired the rest of the people where then did a group in it, they then be
They joke.
like
Passerbyers.
yeah, they be cutting razors for the Artist of the Year group. I wanted Kenata to be in there. She said we go feed do things, but unfortunately our father about so we don't verse.
We don't vex.
The capital credit to we give them good show. So we move. Like to move. But then I have seen MC Portfolio defending Stonebwoy. Why I also winning or yeah Artist of the year last season. No, what point to be
everywhere.
I'm not sure no
campaign manager.
Campaign manager. You got food issues. Step on a lot of toes. Pot to the folio.
Pop to the folio.
E wa church no be che wa to. You get every color of cap bia. I'm cap and I'm one work demonstration watch your friend then. You get some name this cap.
They get I don't know.
Yeah, they call them beret or something like that. So we've been hearing a lot of conversation from MC Portfolio. Now, Wasreshi Camp, he's defending his homeboy.
America till we die.
King Paluta. Ouch.
Ouch.
To me, personally, man King Paluta Juma, the guy worked. But you see, Debia me wa futu bia me dem ankofo there. My fraba on start there. All crawl, then walk, then start running. You don't push somebody to start running. You understand? Last year, people were taking Ken Promise to win.
Yeah, man.
But at the end of the day, what happened? Any penny about the VGM was a TGM and has experience people to win the award itself. You know, even the voting pattern, you need to have some level of experience.
Yeah, man.
You know, because you know, be talk.
Debbie.
You understand? You don't know. There are people that will place calls to certain places.
Yes.
Who vote in excuse me to say bullshit. You understand? And so, personally, I feel MC Portfolio, it is good to have that agenda to support a homeboy.
Yes.
But the reality is that, are you ready for the aftermath? Well, I'll let PKB tell you what happened, what go happen, what is likely to happen if King Paluta, you know, win. King Paluta not go have problem.
If the Portfolio go have the problem.
MC Portfolio, read my lips. If King Paluta, Greg, put me on. Let me talk to him. MC Portfolio. If King Paluta no win Artist of the Year, King Paluta no go have problem with Ghanaians.
No.
He not get anybody then go troll and plenty like that. Because he not shall talk like that. But I will. See, If you know the Ghana Trollers Association, the kind of memes and video they have done for the losers, which I'm not part, I don't show. Me, men come. So be why a VG, TGMA, Ghana Music Award, no, Obi when winner, men be. But PKB, tell them what he should expect.
So what they for expect is, you see how Baumia lose the campaign. They don't talk about Baumia too much. They talk about Dennis Miracle Abuaji campaign manager. He now for take blame. He now for take the blame. He be fault. So this one we don't go move to the artist or the presidential. No, it be you portfolio where we go move to. And the truth here, if you like make you go ask Kiddy. Kiddy go tell him. You go see. They go see you for time. They go ask you, hey, that you do me pay me. So portfolio there. And I think the way portfolio they move from camp to camp there. So I hope so here where you go there and they go stay because you know it be Kumasi boy.
It be Kumasi boy, but sometimes maybe you don't say Kumasi they get Ashtown, they get it. If you other this year, when nominated to be or you know what the same neighborhood. So portfolio still feels rich camp from Kim Paluta to maybe some YP or
some another artist.
And very soon people might, engage him commercially on that level.
Yeah, so you can't run campaign for them.
You understand? So right I tell like
it's campaign manager business.
That be why last time I talked say he make himself TGMA Langa.
Yeah.
You understand?
If you won't win the award, come to me. MC Portfolio, come to me.
MC Portfolio, I and with win to me.
Yeah, win to me. I'll drive the conversation for you so that we'll get it. And when we get it, this is my price. It is here. I done business.
But then he should be very careful because when Baumia lost election, wouldn't to me suffered all the trolls and paid.
Yes.
And so, pot. You don't say we be there. You will be parties. Slim like that you they see. You then slim be parties.
Two parties, but forget.
Off and even though slim too, they feel Kim Paluta, they push for him. But I why you win him. So, and me, I'm telling you on authority, Kim promise they go take give am. And it's not about of course.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
Hey Charlie, the way you put, I know that somebody do to the talk.
Oh yeah. Of course. I mean, if you are in your experience now, you know Ghana Music Award, the terrain, they go show you beer. They want the conversation.
Yeah.
And so what shadow what boots that call for Bakasa Wabaye. So Charlie, portfolio, you understand?
But he for stick to one camp.
Yeah,
Charlie,
stick
portfolio.
to one camp.
Charlie, see.
Who cap in there?
Paluta get future.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Relax, give up.
Yeah, he hasn't shown everything he's got.
No.
Paluta eventually go reach where he for reach.
I have a feeling that they are afraid that say when you're this year that'll be
he's still working.
Yeah.
Charlie, that guy in time this. So once he keeps
working,
bro,
50 years.
Yes.
He go there inside.
He go there inside chair.
So you guys for allow him.
Portfolio, I beg you just stick there. No move camp again.
No.
Stonebwoy all the
Yeah. No. What they say?
What they were saying.
You don't go fee go rather. You don't go fee go sack.
Vida 7 no go grease.
No. You don't go fee go sack. You don't go fee go shatter. Now you don't go fee go Stonebwoy again. So now look for the next time. Maybe Black Coat.
No, Black Coat say you don't go fee enter.
You don't go fee enter there. Spot there.
Yeah. Charlie, make you just stick with
Charlie. Search your baby. I don't trade who. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. My name is DJ Park or Rich about of here.
Yeah, pun.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?